It's 9:26. How do you feel right now?
I'm a bit tired.
Bit tired.
I'm a bit daunted by the size of the mountain.
It's 9:26. She's a bit tired. She's a bit daunted by the size of the mountain. So let's see how we get on. Catch up in a bit. 15 minutes in. We haven't actually started the hill yet. So
Oh, you can run it though.
someone's being cocky about how much they can run. But we know what's to come. Do, 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 do.
Massive rock.
No, the erratic. Huge. Don't stand by it.
Me.
Yeah, because people won't understand how big that is. Massive. Yeah. Big boulder. Hit the old stone pump house. Look at that view. There's the big boulder Sarah just stood by. What are you thinking so far?
Tired now.
Tired?
Need a butty.
Yeah, well, we've got some of them. We've got some mildews. Mildew. So, plan is to sit in here and have a butty. There's a waterfall over there though. Can't see my hand. Somewhere there. I'm going to try and fly to it. Lovely, isn't it? Yeah, so that was a blacksmith. Think it was, but that sign means it was.
Yeah, it says it was.
There's an old boy. I've got this footage and these pictures so many times. But I love it. It's a fixer-upper. That view through the window there, you can get a nice picture through the window of the mountains. Yeah, so what I was saying was I want to get the drone out and get up to that waterfall over there. So let's try that.
How'd you feel?
Alright.
You tired?
Really?
You tired, Stuart?
Not so much. I had a good sleep, but I was excited to come out today. Cheese butty. I tried to fly that waterfall, I just couldn't seem to get the perspective at all. So, a bit of a fail that, but. But I don't think we're going to get any rain, do you? I don't think we will. We're going that way. Well, we're actually going that way and round and up, and we'll look down at this in a minute.
You were down there.
There it is. Told you. Yeah, it's quite loose and shaly up this bit. A couple of them sat there. We've got this very that mountain in front. Looks good.
Should have bought a flask.
Yeah, good. I've got a drink. You've got your water. As long as you know to get first. Well, just all construction, all stuff for the old copper mines, isn't it? There's loads of interesting stuff on this hill. I think it's.
Look at that view though.
Yeah, no, it's amazing, isn't it? I have to get my phone out and try and get that. You can't really capture it, can you? Doesn't really look like anything here. Careful. Big flywheel or something, is it? An engine.
Please
Tracks.
don't disturb this fragile site. Leave iron something in its place.
Yeah, let's leave everything in its place. Don't disturb it, basically. Right, this is the town. I've got to film it. Up the mountain. She's off. Oh, and by the way, we are 2 hours 33 minutes in at the minute.
Where am I going that way?
Round through that little gap. There's the town down there. Another town.
What are you saying?
There's another town. Can you see there?
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah, so 2.5 hours in. Sarah's doing brilliantly. Very, very good. Very proud. You are.
Which way are you going?
Just up there. Don't go near the outside, I'll stay on the outside.
Round the outside, round the outside.
Hopefully see some people at the top there.
We're
I can't.
going all the way to there.
Yeah. Here she comes. Just stairs, it's just a staircase, look.
Yeah, but the staircase has been going on forever.
Doesn't go on forever. It's just 2,600 feet. That's all. That's not forever.
It is.
It is. You're doing brilliant now with the fun. She's doing great. What do you think, Mr. Q? Chris? I think she's doing great. I'm talking to Chris, which is a weird thing to think about because he's not here, but he'll be watching this because he likes the heights.
Really?
Yeah. It's quite a bit
There's no
more.
way.
Of course you can. We're nearly there. Remember at the start when I said, how do you feel?
Yeah.
Here we are now, 2 hours and 49 minutes in. So we're getting towards 3 hours. How are you feeling now?
I'm a bit tired, but I feel happy I've done
You
it.
did well, didn't you? There's the trigger point at the top, and there's the actual ice blasted summity
Yeah,
shelter.
I
Yeah, that's the like a longer walk that way. But we're gonna. Hey? No, I'm not entirely sure the best way of getting because it adds a lot. It makes it like an 11-mile walk. You don't want to do that.
It was nearly 4 miles now.
Yeah, which is alright, isn't it? So if we go around the other side where that couple was, we'll be out the wind. Out the wind, it's quite windy. See, this is like 15 mile an hour probably,
Yeah,
but it feels.
hard, isn't
It feels a lot more because there's nothing to shelter you. Do you know what I mean? It does now, just us at the top. Sarah's texting everybody.
I'm not.
I thought you texted.
Well, I am.
I've had my sunglasses on the whole time. I didn't realise just how bright it is. It's not actually that windy. It's a bit windier than it was. Yeah, I don't think it's a very high wind. Perfect day for it.
Said you were at the top now. Can you get away from the edge?
I'm not near the edge. I'm miles away from it. Beep 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 dee dee dee. Ooh. My sweets.
Yeah.
You keep eating. I've got some Sour Patch Kids for the sugar. And somebody keeps pinching them.
I know I haven't even opened mine yet.
I know, bugger.
I need to get your coat in the freezer.
Zip it open.
I might have to put my jumper on.
3 hours 25 in. Well, sort of. I must say halfway back. We're not quite
It's
halfway
snowing.
back. It's snowing. It's actually snowing. You can see the sun up there. He's trying to burst through, but it's not going to. But Sarah's done really, really well. Really happy. I think when we get to the bottom, we'll do it again, just once more. just to make.
I'll be getting off in your car.
just to make.
Do it again.
Do it again, just to sort of just to get the feel for it.
No.
I just think you should do it twice.
No.
But yeah, 3.5 hours so far. I reckon it's about another hour, maybe hour and a half. But it's all downhill, so shouldn't it be too bad. Hopefully, the mic isn't picking up monstrous wind because I didn't
And
bring.
the snow doesn't get worse.
No, it won't. We're not in a dangerous bit for that. That's all right. But you should be on the other side.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, it levels out. You can see the path in front. This is more like a like an icy stairwell thing here, staircase. In a minute, it just levels out to like a gravel path. Which,
We've been up there.
yeah, we've been right up there. Right up there, haven't we? Yeah, I'm very impressed with how well you've done with it.
Oh,
Okay?
go on. Oh, sorry.
You alright? Right, any minute now on the gravel. Just be careful in this last bit.
Oh, yay.
We're on the gravel path. Now, on the slate path.
Yay.
So yeah, that's the hardest bit. Like the last quarter, I would say, of the hike is the most sort of not treacherous, but tricky. It's the trickiest bit. But that's us for now. I'll check back in with you in a bit. In, and we're just by the big erratic where the footbridge is. This is the second footbridge that we got to, so we're well on our way back now. Well on our way back. so it's
Right, I'll stop
4
now.
minutes 48. How are you feeling now, Sarah?
Not too bad.
I think-
Legs are a bit sore.
Yeah, I think
And
you
they need a
did.
cup of tea.
I think you did really well.
Yeah.
Would you do it again right now? What's
Yeah.
the minimum? What if someone said like to do that now again? What would be the minimum amount?
Maybe about a month or so.
No, if someone said I'll give you X amount of money to do that now.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
500,000.
All right, $500,000. Not
Yeah.
bad. Right, yeah.
do.
So,
Not cheap.
bye.
And you've got your Stu Grace with that flipping booming noise. Holy crap.